Alright, the holidays are fast approaching, and that means you need some epic recipes to bring to the table, which of course we have right here for you. Meet the stuffed hasselback broccoli crown, which will have everyone drooling at your dinner table. We're stuffing broccoli with rich layers of vegan Gouda cheese, caramelized onions, potato slices, and fresh thyme. You can eat them as a main or a side, and stay tuned for the end of this video for a fun way to use up the leftovers. Let's go! First, you're going to caramelize some onions. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a nonstick pan over medium-high heat. Add sliced onions and about a half teaspoon of sea salt and cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the onions begin to brown, turn the heat down to medium-low and add some fresh thyme. Continue cooking for about 10 to 15 more minutes. Stir occasionally so the onions brown evenly. You want them to be a light caramel color, but not too dark because they're going to continue to cook in the oven. To prepare the broccoli, you're going to cut off most of the stem, leaving about an inch still intact, leaving just the crown. And repeat this with the remaining broccoli crowns. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Then add sliced yellow potatoes first, and then the trimmed broccoli crowns. This way the broccoli's on top. The broccoli will be blanched in about 3 to 4 minutes, and remove it from the water when they're bright green but still crisp. Let them cool while you continue blanching the potatoes for 1 or 2 more minutes, as the potatoes take a little bit longer to cook. Then drain the potatoes and let them cool as well. When the broccoli crowns are cooled, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet and use a sharp knife to make 1 cut in the center of the crown, being careful not to go all the way down to the bottom. Then make 2 more cuts 3/4 of an inch on either side of the center cut, and repeat this with all of the crowns. Now in a small bowl, add olive oil, sea salt, and fresh ground black pepper. Brush this mixture onto the broccoli crowns and on each side of the sliced cooked potatoes. Stack 6 slices of Gouda cheese on top of each other and then slice the stack into long 1/4 inch wide strips. Now to assemble all of this, you're going to take 2 to 3 slices of potato and slightly bend like you're making a small taco. Add some of the vegan Gouda cheese strips in the middle and carefully slip the potato and cheese into one of the incisions in the broccoli crown. Now repeat, filling each of the crowns with potato and Gouda slices in each cut that you made. It's okay if the cheese crumbles and breaks apart during the stuffing stage. It's all just going to look ooey gooey at the end. Now take a spoonful of caramelized onion and gently stuff it into each incision beside the potato and Gouda filling. Before throwing it in the oven, top each crown with some more fresh thyme. You're going to bake these in an oven preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes until the broccoli gets slightly brown on top and the cheese is melted. Then broil these for an extra 1 to 2 minutes on the oven's upper rack to get some extra char, and make sure to serve them up hot. These might all get eaten at your holiday feast, but if you're having a small gathering or you want to make extra, we're going to use a couple of these in next week's recipe. It is a stuffed holiday leftover focaccia hot dip sandwich. Yes, I said that, and it's hella good. So make sure you come back next Wednesday to see this all go down. If you're looking for more holiday ideas that are next level, make sure to check out my holiday ebook, Hot for Holidays. There's 5 brand new recipes that have never before been published on hotforfoodblog.com. Check the link below to buy your copy now. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.